Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we are joined by the winner of Rising Star, the finale that happened Sunday. And she's going to, Tasha again, she's going to perform for us Feel Good. We're going to get off stage? Yes. It's your time.
Okay.
Come. Take it away.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Ooh, yeah. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running deep, you know how I feel. Blossom on the trees, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Yes! Oh my goodness. Did you guys get chills? I got goosebumps. Girl.
What would Anthony say? I think that's
Adequate. That was adequate. So you see, you're telling us how you really feel about Anthony. You know, you're telling us
No,
without
she
saying
seen her
anything.
face when I asked her earlier on.
She was like,
Who's your favorite judge?
"Oh God." You have to say one, you know.
Is there two options you have? We know it's not one person.
Anthony.
Why is that?
Who is
Why? I like that though. Why?
Because even though he says something that would really hurt you, he doesn't say it because he wants to hurt you.
Right.
He said it because he wants to motivate
It's for your
you to do
benefit.
yes.
He's trying
He's
trying to be Mr. Motivator.
Yes.
That's right. You know,
Yes.
but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have to link it all. I agree. I agree. It's not the ones who say nice things. Sometimes it's the one that makes you want to do. Stop it, no turn. All right, thank you so much for joining us on the show. Like, good
Thank
luck.
you.
I
Thank you
can't
for
wait to
having
see
me.
what you're amazing. You're so talented, and
Thank you.
congratulations again. Awesomeness is so, girl. Thank you so much for tuning in to Daytime Live. Don't forget to catch us back on Friday with more buzz, chat,
Thank you guys. Thank you Jamaica very much.
Thank you Jamaica very much from Tasha Gay. Yes.
That's gotta be.
Yes.
And the host won't be wearing full black on Friday.
We won't.
Not
We won't.
me.
Well, Daytime
Daytime
Live. We'll
Live.
see you on Friday.